Good morning, Life Church. I hope you're having a blessed day today and that the presence of the Lord is just so real in your life today. I want to take a moment and tell you how much I thank God for you for this past weekend. This past weekend we were privileged to have our missionary to Malawi, Africa, John Easter. And you guys just rallied together, and together Life Church was able to invest in Malawi, Africa and the mission work of John Easter with a $1,000 gift, as well as adopting his mission work as a monthly partner. And I just thank God for you. It's amazing how you're in capturing the Spirit of God and the attitude of kingdom principles, and you're investing in the work of God. And I thank God for you. And every day I thank God for what He's doing in your life. Brother Easter shared with us 3 powerful principles. Those principles were value, significance, and capacity. And he shared with us that God values every single person, including you. And I thank God for that. And God has put within us, secondly, the capacity for greatness. Great things can be accomplished. The Word of God says, I can do all things through Christ who strengthens me. And truly, we can. If we will allow God to work in our lives, we can do great things. There is that capacity within us for greatness. The third thing he shared with us was significance. Everybody's looking for significance. Everybody wants to be significant. Well, the way we do that is by placing our lives completely in God's hands and allowing God to work in our lives. The Word of God says that if we will humble ourselves under the mighty hand of God, in due season, He will exalt us. So just allow God to work in your life, and He will bring about His greatness in your life, and you will find that significance that you're looking for. Today I just speak blessings into your life. I thank God for what He's doing in your life. And listen, on Thursday nights we're teaching about prayer. We're teaching on how to pray, and we're teaching to pray, and we're teaching how to get our prayers answered. You don't want to miss it. Tonight I want to see you at 7 o'clock. I want to teach you the Word of God, and let's learn together what God has in store for us and how we can be more successful in our prayer lives. I thank God for you, and I speak a blessing over your life today. I pray that God would bless you and keep you, that He would make His face to shine upon you and be gracious to you, that He would turn His face towards you and give you His peace. Have a blessed day and be a blessing to somebody else today. God bless.